How's it going, guys? It is Saturday morning. Chuck and I ended up tracking that deer down to the brook run last night, across the brook, found a couple more specks of blood, and lost the trail. So I got up this morning, got out here at first light, and luckily, sorry about the wind, luckily a buddy of mine owns the property on the other side of the brook, so I messaged him this morning, let him know what happened, and told him that I'd be over here looking for my deer if he saw my truck parked on the side of the road. So I got down in here and spent a few hours this morning looking around down there, and I'm kind of thinking that I might have hit that deer high, just like the one I shot opening day of Expanded, and couldn't find her, so I kind of gave up and was headed back to the truck. And as I got up to the top of this hill, I came across this group of does feeding under these oaks, and they were completely oblivious. As you can tell, the wind's blowing like 30 miles an hour today. But I ranged one of those does at 40 yards and sent one double under. I'm going to go see if we can find her. I did walk up and try to find my arrow, which I think got buried in the ground. But I found a blood trail, and I left my bow up here, and I just went back to the truck and grabbed my camera and my drag so I can get this thing out of here. But I am almost up to where I shot at. There's my bow right there. Definitely looks like I double lunged her. She is right there. Not a bad one at all. Oh yeah, absolutely smoked her. All the rest of the deer ran back down there over the hillside. I'm glad she didn't make it that far, because that would have been a sucky drag. All right, finally on the board. It's been a rough start to the season. I've been hunting for 5 weeks now. Obviously not every day, but I've seen deer almost every single time that I've been out. And opening day of Expanded, I shot a small doe, ended up hitting her high. Chuck and I searched and searched and searched. Went back the next day and grid searched, didn't find her. Luckily, 2 weeks later, she was right underneath my tree again, and I was going to try to get another arrow in her, and she ended up busting me moving. I shot at another doe and Expanded on the second hunt that we went out on, and I ended up clipping a branch, completely missed that deer. And like I said, I've seen deer almost every time I've been out this year, but something's happened. They've either winded me or saw me moving or something. But finally got a good sized doe down, put a perfect shot right through her shoulder. I haven't even looked at the other side, the exit wound yet. Unfortunately, I think I lost my arrow. I think it got buried in the leaves over there somewhere. I'm going to look around for it, but I'm pretty sure that's a goner. I'm going to get this old girl dragged back down to the truck and get her cleaned out and figure out what I'm going to do this afternoon. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Sorry about the wind noise. We appreciate everybody. Thanks. Catch you on the next one.